Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Goyal and I welcome all of you to the self-learning broadcast of BISP Solutions. Today I will be going to tell you about how to use the case priority flags using formula fields in Salesforce. So first of all, let me explain you what is priority. So I hope you know that priority means a fact or condition that is regarded as more important than others. Like you have to complete 3 tasks, but you cannot complete 3 tasks together. So what you will do is you will put them in priorities, like task number 1 will be lower priority, task number 2 will be the high priority, and task number 3 will be the middle priority, and then you will do your work as per the priority. So same thing we can do in Salesforce also. Like we have few cases and we can assign priorities to them, and to show the priority we can use some symbols. So let's see how to do this. So first of all, we have to log in on Salesforce, which I have already done here. Now because I want to show the symbols, so we need symbols also. So I have already downloaded the images. Like I want to show the three symbols here. Green means this is the highest priority, yellow is middle priority, and red is the least priority or lowest priority. So first of all, we need to add these three images or pictures into Salesforce. So how to do that? Click on setup, then develop. Under develop, go to static resources. Then we will add the images one by one. New, and give a name here. So I give a name here green, and choose a file. So I select the file from here, open and save. So the image has been added here, but I'll suggest you one thing. Click on this view file and copy this resources here, because this will be going to use in our program. Because when we will be going to write the formula field, we will be going to use this path. Then we need one more. So again, static resources, because there are three images, so we have to do this, repeat the step 2 more times. Then this time I add red, choose red, save. Again follow the step and copy the address path of red from here and save. Close this. Again go to static resource, new, this time yellow, choose file, open, view file, and again I copy the address or path and save in a notepad so that we'll not forget that. So like this, we have added all our three images into Salesforce. Now where to use them? So for your convenience, I have already created an object here. So this is my object name cases. Under this object, I have created few fields, custom fields. So let me show you the fields here. So I have few fields here like case origin, case region, contact name, description, email ID, priority, subject type. So let me show you this. So I click on new, and you can see the fields here. Right now the fields are blank, no data over here. So I enter data, contact name, let's say BISP, type hardware, case region is problem in phone. Now I assign a priority, and according to me the priority for this case will be high. Case origin is phone. Subject, any subject, let's say problem in my, or phone not working properly. Email ID bisp@gmail.com. Description, if you want to give description, that's okay, else it's up to you. So now you can see here the case has been registered. Priority is high, but it is in text format. I want to show the priority in picture format, like the images which we have used here, green, red and yellow. I want, if the priority is high, it will display an image here, this green flag. If the priority is low, red flag, and if the priority is middle, yellow flag. So how to do that? So for this we need one formula field in this object. So I come here and like we have here custom fields, so I add one new more field here, and this time that would be a formula field. So I select a formula from here. Next, so I give here PRIO, priority flag, and the return type must be text. Next, here we have to write a formula. So formula I have already note down, and that formula will be, or let me explain you it again. So we want to show the image, so from here I select image. Here we need to give image URL. So but we have to check also what is the value of priority. If it is high, show the green flag. If it is low, show the red flag. If it is middle, show the yellow flag. So I copy this text from here and paste it here. Now if you see this, under image I check it if is pick value priority underscore. Now priority underscore C is the value, is the name of this one, this field priority, and if it is low it will show the red flag. And you remember I asked you to copy the address, this one, so this comes from here, this one, red. Now for us right now we have red, so I copy this red and change this red one. Then we need, if it is medium, so we want to show yellow one, and the address for yellow one is this, so I copy this yellow one here, and the address for green one is this one, so we copy this, and green one we paste here, and we click on check syntax. So there is no error in syntax, and we move to click on next. Then next, save. So formula field has been created. Now let's go back and see if it working fine or not. So I click on case and case number. So you can see here, because the priority is high, the priority flag it changed to green. If I change this its priority, let's say the priority is low, and save, it will change to red flag. Again, if I change its priority and if I set it to medium, click on save, it will show the yellow flag. So like this we can display the priority in the form of a flags, red, green or blue flag. You can use any other images also if you want, and based on these priority flags the case will be solved. So that's all for today's video, and if you want to get more information on Salesforce, please subscribe on YouTube, or you can join our courses which are delivered by subject matter experts. So thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.